Show that the unit of k, k can have many different units depending on the order of the reaction, but it tells us it's the first order reaction is a reciprocal unit of time, and there's an example. So let's just use seconds. All right, so the first thing to do here is we're given the rate law there, so it's going to be make it. They didn't have to do that, but let's isolate k. So pause your video, and if you haven't started, try that first. All right, so we're going to rewrite this. Isolating k is going to be equal to the rate over the concentration of A, and we know that the order is first order because it tells us told us that somewhere, right? No, there, right there, first order. So we don't write ones; we'll just leave it out there. Okay, so what is the unit for rate in a first order reaction? And also you'll have to know what is the unit for concentration. Well, the unit for concentration is moles per liter, right? Which is also the same thing as molar concentration, molar. So we can use either one of those. Now, let me space this out a little bit. It's also equal to, we're just doing units now. Now the unit for rate is going to be moles, or let's do molar per second, which we often write as molar times second to the -1, okay, because we bring the second to the numerator. All right, and over here, if we use the molar, break it apart into moles per liter, right, it's going to be moles per liter per second. So I'm going to bring those up here to the top again and rewrite that. Okay, so it's going to be moles per liter, or liters to the -1, seconds to the -1. All right, so if you do that, either way we do it, so you didn't have to do it both these ways, but this is one way and this is another way. Just showing you two different ways to do the same thing. All right, you can see that the moles here are going to cancel out, top and bottom. Now this, oh, hold on, should we write that on the top as well? All right, so let's do that. Maybe easier to see. All right, liters to the -1. Okay, so now, where's my green? So this here fraction just extends a little bit more. We'll just extend it there, right? Top and bottom cancel out. So what are we left with? We are left with the reciprocal of time. So we just showed that. It says show that. All right, and over to the right here. So it'll be easier to see if we just use this here. Okay, so molar on the top, cancel out molar on the bottom, and you are left with reciprocal of seconds. So show that. We just showed that two different ways.